What's going on, everybody? Cody Does It, back at it again with another video. Today we're not working on cars, we're working on my toilet in my house, obviously. You see I'm in my bathroom. So I'm gonna show you a quick little easy way to replace the wax ring on the bottom side of your toilet. It's backwards. You can flip it. I can flip it around and show you. So essentially this wax ring has a little flange. You can see the black portion. See the black portion in there, and the wax ring, that gold portion, that yellow portion, whatever wax color piece, that's going to stick to the bottom side of your toilet. That little black piece is going to stick down in the pipe that goes into the ground of your toilet. See, I'm over here having a beer. I'm trying to have a little bit of a good evening. It's been a long day for me. Got me a new gaming TV. Anyways, best way for me I found is to loosen the valve for your toilet. Obviously, shut the water off before you do that. If not, you're going to make a big mess. Loosen that. You can wiggle this thing around in here to let some of the water come out. Loosen these two bolts. On mine, it's 11 millimeter. There's one there. There's also one right there. You can tilt the whole toilet bowl over, get most of the water out, which you can see I've already done. You're going to pull that entire line off, pull the toilet out, which there's a tons of videos on YouTube. I'm not a plumber, but owning my own home, I found a lot of different things that I can actually do myself rather than calling somebody to have them come fix it for me. You're going to pull those screws, pull that line, lift the entire toilet out. Best way to do is set it in the bathtub. Take it outside, whatever. There's still going to be some water caught in your little trap there. Pull that out. You can flip it upside down. Do whatever you got to do. Best way I found is just tilt it. Scrape the wax off of it like a lot of people show in their videos. Like I said, I'm not a plumber. Scrape it off the ground where it connects. Put the other one on. Slowly set it down on the floor. Tighten everything back down. You want to snug it, as everyone always says that it's an actual plumber. You don't want to crack the porcelain, or else you'll have to replace your entire toilet, which is not ideal because toilets are not cheap. And then wham bam, thank you ma'am, that's how you do it. Easy peasy. Quick little video for you guys. I know it's not the typical car stuff, but yeah, I will be cleaning this bathroom afterwards because it's starting to get a little disgusting with all the dog hair and everything. My dogs keep coming in here trying to see what's going on. So quick, easy video. Anyone that owns a home, even if you rent your home and you're trying to wait on your landlord to come fix it, you got a slow leak. It snowed yesterday, so I was a little worried that the foundation was cracking over here on the side of my house. But obviously, if you flush it enough, wipe it, flush it, wipe it, flush it, you're going to find out where the leak's coming from. It's a lot like finding a leak on a car. Only you can pressurize stuff on cars. So quick, easy, simple explanation.